management, the TBETs, PTBETs, JSOs, DBTA team, good afternoon. I'm extremely happy to address you at the close of ASA 20. I can confidently say that ASA 2020 was a great success, and congratulations to all of you. This is what brings our region together. We can see the Tibet animation that you were able to do in the provinces, improvement in the area of planning, and progress in the implementation of the JSO quality manual. It also points to the fact that there is a true Tibet awakening in the provinces. It was also great to see the encouragement, support, and guidance from Father Miguel Angel, Father Alfonso Udu, and Ms. Sylvia Crow. The various presentations were inspiring. The presentation on quality manual systems framework took a bit of time, and it was necessary. This is just the beginning of a long journey that has to culminate in the ISO certification of our centers. And the responsibility solely lies on the provinces. The other inputs were truly inspirational. I would strongly encourage you to reflect and work on the following areas coming from the presentations. The first would be the concept of inclusion. This forms part of our strategic plan, equity and accessibility. Can we take it up as a priority area in our training centers? That no one is left out, no one is left behind. 2. Tracer Study app. We have the opportunity to pilot the Tracer Study app in some of the French-speaking countries. If it works well for us and for our young people, we can scale it up to the whole continent. 3. Young Africa franchise model. This is one of the areas where we are struggling, that of self-sustainability. It would be very encouraging if few of the provinces took up this idea and would pilot it in some of our centers. You have worked on the communication structure and the job description for the various Tibet offices in the provinces. This is very important. I think as DBTA and Tibet people, we need to take the leadership to implement it in our provinces. The job description is also very important. This will help us to do our own responsibility diligently and respect the roles, duties, and responsibilities of the other. I presented here the DBTA theory of change and way forward. The diagram looked very colorful and nice. But I think when implemented, our Tibet delivery and service to the young people in the continent will look much more beautiful and colorful. DBTA as an office can only give ideas and support the initiatives. But it has to originate and it has to be owned by the provinces. We need self-sustainability worked out through a professional financial plan. We need to have a professional way of running our centers, and for that we need trained personnel to deliver quality training to the needy and the vulnerable. We have the ITC ILO training that is ongoing. This is a golden opportunity that the Lord has given us to equip ourselves with skills to run our training centers. If we take it lightly or neglect it, it would be a grave sin that we would be committing against our young people. Let us encourage one another to do it well. If we want to build up the network, and if we want our service to the young people to be professional, we need to work in an orderly and structured way. We are not having the youth ministry delegate in our organogram just to expand it. We have him to make it more workable. And as a member of the provincial council, he will be able to take our agenda much more easily to the provincial council. You have presented here beautiful plans to be implemented in the provinces. May the good Lord guide you and lead you in the implementation of all that is planned. Let's not forget our young people in all that we do. We are here for them and because of them. Let it be the guiding spirit and the motivation behind all that we do. Finally, I would like to express my sincere words of appreciation to Father Simon Asira, the Provincial Superior and Board Chairman, to Father Alphonse and Father Miguel Angel for their input and encouragement, to our donors, especially to Don Bosco Mondo, BMZ and all the other donors, to Father Patrick for being part of this whole meeting. Thank you. To Mr. Stephen Gross for closely following up the meeting, all the others who joined us online from the various parts of the world, it was a great encouragement to us all. In a very special way to Brother John, who was our MC for this meeting. Thank you, Brother John. And I think we can give a clap, isn't it? For the sound system and translation services from Skyline Company, thank you. For DBYES, for hosting us, for the great facilities, thank you. May God bless you all, and with these words, I formally conclude as 2020.